That's professional whole-set laser equipment production and sales as a whole. Accurate orientation and strong technical strength make Wuhan GNLaser rise rapid in the field of laser and be professional laser processing equipment manufacturer. GNLaser not only successfully develop the international advanced technology of laser equipment, but also use import and export right to popularize fiber laser cutter to South Korea, Malaysia, Thailand, Australia, the United States, Japan, Germany, and other more than 40 global countries. GNLaser has its own impeccable laser numerical control equipment production base and the internationalization senior technical talent and professional sales team, providing tailor-made laser processing solutions, laser equipment and full service for domestic and foreign customers. The main products include middle and high power laser cutting series, single and double flat table laser cutting series, tube and sheet dual-use laser cutting series, three-dimensional tube laser cutting series. Through years of efforts, GNLaser has passed ISO 9001 certification, the CE certification, fully integrated with the international community. Excellent GM people, focus on technological innovation, quality and stability, precision manufacturing and caring service. Stick to every detail, return every customer with high quality, and treat the customer's success as our corporate value embodied. The success of customer is the success of GNLaser.